This is a used 2012 Jeep Compass. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Pelletier Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 213 East Main Street, Fort Kent, Maine, 4743.